Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to fix the E25 error code on Bosch dishwashers. But first, what does the E25 error code mean? The E25 error on the Bosch dishwasher is a malfunction code that indicates that the drain system is faulty. This error means that the dishwasher has detected excess water in the base pan, usually due to a plumbing issue or a blocked drain pump. The following are some of the common causes of Bosch dishwasher E25 errors. Clogged filter or drain. The most common cause of E25 is a clogged drain pump filter. This could be caused by accumulated food particles, debris, or foreign objects that might be blocking the water from draining properly. Kinked or blocked hose. The drain hose may be kinked or blocked, preventing proper water outflow. Faulty drain pump. A malfunctioning drain pump may result in inadequate drainage of wastewater, causing accumulation. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix this error code. Check and clean the drain pump filter. Locate the filter. It's typically in the center bottom of the dishwasher. Remove the spray arm and bottom dish rack to gain access to the filter. Unscrew the filter cap and lift out the filter. Suction the stagnated water to enhance visibility and inspect the drain pump cover. Use a spoon to unclip the pump cover and check the impeller for any obstruction. If there is none, place the cover tightly, as a loose pump cover can also be detected as E25. Using warm water, rinse off any debris from the filter that you took out earlier and scrub any adherent particles. Secure back the filter and filter cap, making sure it's screwed on tightly. Turn the power back on, and this should clear the E25 error. Run an empty hot wash cycle to test it. Check the drain hose. If cleaning the filter does not work, the issue could be a kinked or blocked drain hose. Pull out the dishwasher and locate the corrugated hose connecting to the drain pump at the bottom. You may need to disconnect the hose from the pump to properly inspect and unblock it. Run water through it to remove any debris. Reconnect the hose and tighten the clamp and run another test cycle. Check the drain pump. First, turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power source for safety. Open the dishwasher door and carefully remove the screws holding the outer door panel. Also, unscrew the kick plate at the base to access the pump. Carefully detach the pump to inspect it for damage or obstruction you missed. You can manually test the drain pump to see if it's working properly. Reassemble it and do a test cycle to check if the drainage issue has been resolved. Remember, if you're not comfortable performing these steps, or if you encounter any difficulties, it's best to contact a professional dishwasher repair technician. Thanks for watching.